Se mo ka se mo be bom ho ban a na che se mo ankasa soso mo de mo internal security e be kwa ko bom ho ban ho.
Oh, ye ho ban ne e be bo no. Ni ngina gina rehemu a IGP odi amaye. IGP ye hia no eni ni di nkomo o ma ye ti asese ndi esi na ano no wosua bibi kakra firi mu nti o ma bibi saa ensi biom nti enu nti no amaye yenya arehemu se me wo polling station na se Macho ma bi ba ba yi bibi boni a me won kwan se me stop no because o kaso kwa akobom ya police force on bejeme nti enu no na arehemu a yenya ana se ye ho a ya boa no ya boa ye ho yie wo saa akonya nim se ye mpene ma NDC for embeboye to say the omkoboye
Ablekuma
Akwatia ayeshe papa
ayeshe
inti no ya wa ye boejuma.
Okay, so ukasa Akwatia ayeshe a den e koso ho a ama Akwatia ayeshe se
Akwatia de ehun hye ayeshe ne se ye nwanum NDC for ayeshe de omo pese de omo koye wa Ablekuma north no the same to number so me ye wa ha nto ma hase ne soldiers edi hwenwa eyi galamsey site for say obi oni obe omo hu so ye MPP abejo site e fiun sem omo mgita document kra omo di tu omo good kra amom won say ye hu say uye MPP ana u kan MPP asem kra na ya abejo site e fiun sem nti renhwa na omo de hye ye nwanum mu a omo ye gold ho nduma but ni ngina chire no ye gidi se nyame be kasa na uba form a uti se form de ye dia but renhwa na koso ene ame no kasa ye MPP for ye prepare akaka krabi ye ba be ye vigil night e dia ona ye nwa ns kumi nyame ya adomo ochina so ye be fa no ye be peja no na yakoja na chi. You know, these are the two main activities for Enene Ochina. I mean, I don't mind. By Tuesday, MPP King Solomon Obedin Kunim Ama MPP.
Okay, but in terms of security, war Akwatia no ye bisa se sabre no apart from police for ye nya ntia se wo mo ba gu hoi. What's up picking some intel say NDC amanyokuo no ede wo internal security forces bi baba dwumedi na ase ana.
Oh, me no ka say Richard Jakpa on the national security for ne soldiers for get to be na mo basa bi na ne ngina eche no ye nwen no mo wa Akwatia o man ka sam domania atoto form eno be hu NDC for musuban ene to asema edo mani mo mbe so mo ye na ye gidi say by Tuesday Akwatia for bekasa.
By Tuesday Akwatia for bekasa.
Sure.
Now mo started door to door campaigning.
Oh yeah gusu. Eno po ye shasi na chepa me no ka say ejuma ne de ye born ye pa nti ye gidi say ye be surprise this for pa and in terms of security no so ye mba say ye ba be kon but e be boy ho ban
se mo ka se mo be bom ho ban a na che se mo ankasa soso mo de mo internal security e be kwa akobom ho ban
ho ye ho ban ne e be bo no ni ngina gina rehemu a IGP odi amaye IGP ye hia no eni ni di nkomo o ma ye ti asese ndi esi na ano no wosua bibi kakra firi mu nti o ma bibi saa ensi biom nti enu nti no amaye yenya arehemu se me wo polling station na se Macho ma bi ba ba yi bibi boni a me won kwan se me stop no because o kaso kwa akobom ya police force on bejeme nti enu no na ye arehemu a yenya ana se ye ho a ya boa no ya boa ye ho yie wo saa akonya nim se ye mpene ma NDC for embeboye to say the Omukobo here. Yes, because Ghana Police Service, I'm my RTS, so my boy home by. Into no, semi jina, me wo police station, we now ban over Jeep ballot box, Akwa. I mean, Penema Franco. Because Ghana Police, Baba Boame, I'm my stop.
Okay, so you are relying on the police, but not on the internal security measures being put in place by the New Patriotic Party.
Me did say, you see, I will be no. I'm a party Nibia, some level of energy. Osha or do a party for the chairman. Ama omenya some level of energy chese. Omo baba bo party no humban. Ye nya security bia. Na party no obi aye security. Sisi am no ka say MPP party no sisi an obi aye abrewa kra o party no kra po security sisi a. It no NDC for no I be surprise some what we can prevent.
Okay, so if you say
we'll stop them.
Okay, but if you say obi biara wo NDC mu MPP mu security we know that security situations goes with its own accoutrements like pepper sprays and guns. Is that supposed to mean that you are going to arm yourselves whilst on the ground?
No, like I said, when it comes to arming ourselves, I think the police have done that. For us, we are not going to arm ourselves, but we will be very vigilant and we will stand for our rights, regardless of whatever they will come with. We will face them and we will stand for our rights.
That is going to be done legitimately without any use of any offensive weapon?
No. Sir, Usha, the CEO of Lukmanov here. Yakoye, Yanfa to uncle, Yanfa be weapon be uncle. And no more yet, no more yet. And I very report him, Ghana Police Service. And no mama, I said, I feel with your mom, Penima Bisa, and my then. And see, on my boy, home by FM. It you know, the Ghana Police Service, I can't share, and no can apart from that, no. The Omodi year wa Lukmanov, no. And also I say, young crying as a party. And I made sure, say, I better walk cry already, say, Ushiano, na se u di bone, o ya dia en fine bra kwemu. Me fa ne say ballot box who ko wia, abro bit ma so mu so mpene ma won fanko. Iso o mu kuye nyina wo no. E na yeso ye mbema pa. Enye say this say kita two and answer sikan dey bi yeso ye mbema. Say we say you stop you, I will stop you.
And Jimmy Chris, is it Asamoah? I believe that I'm right with the name, Chris Asamoah. And you know, yeah, and you know, message ben pan as a siano. Modernam Akwatia wa mo catcher a year Akwatia adishia say or member to aba amamu candidate no.
Adebako I was say Obio Akwatia bia or Jim won say Adia friend is saying amo candidate NDC candidate lawyer what demonstrating attitude be a say home for point mean trust no because sebi lawyer obi eyisika etua o kase sebi obi jima ade nti no ene no nko kokuma me yusumbra kwan so kokuna jima ade ma me ukoji ya na wo de wakofa afede fama me also fama me na waje saa bibi se no ye nyina ye wakotia ye tia ase sen se saa papa we onye obi a betimi aye den attract no because omo former MP no ono no ni NSKumi akonwa ho ono no be fa wo se bo amena me nkoji akonwa no obefa utia uka udi skani wi e wasan so afa n'echi afede ono no akoko asan dig dia ofi se ono no fi se ene dia ni pase no ye ba ye de no bo man oye musuo nipa.
Okay, so
before they know about oye musuo.
Okay, so I want
a mistake. A vote mana me can't say mo say and there's commission soon bet yom. And there's commission soon bet your ye pa. Into mom ko boss musuo no enyi say nipa no. Because some yina and net ono wa tete na sa ne nsem ne ntro ta lawyer way in nsem and ntro we twa bedu bebi ayedui. Wa tete ns sa Wukam samote ye ama okoko say okoji warrant omo fanti no. Sa papa we are and
okay, so beyond this message in terms of development niema ben sa na mo betime gina so akase Akwatia for nhwe so nsukumi ba ya obeye within this short time or the party that year within the period they were in government for the 8 years say omehwe so say omuntu aba ema mo candidate no
no creba kwa me meka kira won say NDC as a party no omamuni na no omo buy for the past 8 years no bibie no omaye and now in the history of by-election say by-election bibia edimpuntuoba just some few years ago under MPP's leadership by-election say by any na muhu development ya Russia ya koye ya say agrobe so na efia nopa nti NDC forward plans ema kotiafo a aka by-election be o hwe ya Akwatia aye omo kwan bra omo bre kwan ye bi enye ni nya na etumi wie de aka no I was sanka by this time po omo di bibi po sha ase ama nkrofo ni nya didie bi wo mu kumewu ye ko kumewu MPP ye development a man nkrofo ni nya didie wo omu asen baby a by election there in the history no baby a by election CBA no ye developmental project emma timemufo no some level of energy emma omudo hu shem ekoto aba on by elections but this time around e be here because NDC for ankasa no omu fa ni dia ma Akwatia for omu ni odo omu ni bu omu ni shade mom inti no ye gidi say me no ka say Asumedu oya young gentleman but no ka say bie duma bebre we bie duma bebre a o hwehwe o hyenkrofo o hyenkrofo ka wo kro ne so o workers bebre o mu free kro ne so ono nka se bie nduma bebre o de buati memufo no nti ns wuye no de oja bia no Asumedu ba beto aso
all right
in terms of physical support, financial support, human building capacities.
Okay, finally, before we let you go, Gab Ben Pan officer Sumedu, a bit me lawyer na original NDC Amanjo. Gab no be saying.
Oh, me with my own assessment, minimum data, even though we are building some data. With my personal assessment, I'm looking about 67% by close of Tuesday.
67% win for
Asumedu.
For Asumedu.
Yes, MPP candidate.
All right. Ora Chris Asamoah better was say anyway. Chris Asamoah, a deputy national organizer for the New Patriotic Party.